This theme will every year is going to have 4 to 5 questions on this particular theme. Where if you are in the state of confusion, in that case, give the benefit of doubt to this option and go for 1 to 3.
I started my full-fledged preparation after I joined the Ultimate Assessment Program at Civilsdaily.
There is a 12-month strategy which I have done on Civilsdaily platform only.
I reached out to the Civilsdaily team.
Civilsdaily.
Current affairs में Civilsdaily.
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 With Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily. Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
A mentorship program of Civilsdaily, and that did help me a lot.
Most common elimination technique is the possibility statements, majorly dealing with the utility or the application of particular theme. Right. So this theme will every year is going to have 4 to 5 questions on this particular theme, where they will be asking the application of some particular theme or the mechanism or anything. Right. Either the utility or the application based questions. Okay. So first, the statements where you get the wordings like can or may or involving the application of the theme are generally correct. Because second, while dealing with the options, you have to follow the, or you have to go for the all of the or odd man out. Okay, I will discuss the questions, then you will get the better idea. The third thing with respect to this is you have to give the benefit of doubt to the option. Sometimes what happens is, suppose this is the question. This is the question. The steel slag can be the material for which of the following: construction of base road, improvement of agriculture soil, production of cement. Okay, so suppose you have the doubt with respect to the third option, that whether it can be used or not. Okay, but only if you have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge that no steel slag can't be used in making of the cement, then only eliminate that and go for 1 or 2. If you are in the state of confusion, in that case, give the benefit of doubt to this option and go for 1 to 3. Because like I said, every year there are going to be 4 to 5 questions on the same thing. And you have to ensure the consistent application of the elimination technique. Yes, in case you have the knowledge, it can't be used for the cement, you give preference to the knowledge over elimination technique, and you go for 1 and 2. Otherwise, you always give the benefit of doubt to the option. Okay. Now, if you see the questions, the possibility statements, right? So some mushrooms, okay, have medicinal properties, psychoactive properties, insecticidal properties, or bioluminescent properties. Okay, so they can have. You give the benefit of doubt to that. They can have. Don't eliminate. You go with all of the 4. Here also some microorganisms. You go with all of the 3. Okay, so these statements where you find the wording can or may, you give the benefit of doubt. Okay. Second, this is the application based question. In how many of the above actions is the function accelerometer required? You first focus upon the word, that is accelerometer. That is, it accelerates something, because it is related to the speed or acceleration. Okay, so detection of, then you compare the options. Detection of car crash, okay, which results into deployment of airbags. Detection of the accidental free fall of laptop towards the ground, which result into the immediate turning of the hard drive. If you see, both of these statements are complementary. If you visualize it, both will have the same mechanism. After car collision, immediate deployment of the airbag. Similarly, after the fall of the laptop, immediate turning off of the hard drive. Both will have the similar mechanism. Both can be the application. Right. Then detection of the tilt of the smartphone, which results into rotation of display between portrait and landscape mode. Again, as this is the application based question, you go with all of the other. Similarly, here. Okay. Until and unless you have the knowledge, or until and unless this is completely odd man out, you don't eliminate the option, you go with the all of the above. Okay. Similarly, here also, how many of the above has poisonous species among them? Right. So we know about the fish and frogs, but butterflies you may get confused. Right. So until and unless you are aware about none of the or you have read somewhere about none of the butterflies has poisonous species, you give benefit of doubt to it and you go with all of it. Okay. Similarly here, the application where the hydrogels are used: controlled drug delivery, mobile air conditioning, and industrial lubricants. Okay, application based, you simply go with all of them. Okay. Then, which of the above can be used as feedstock for producing sustainable aviation fuel? Now you focus upon the word. Don't go blindly, because they are using the sustainable word. Right? Sustainable means it should be environmental friendly and it should not include fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is unsustainable. Right? Or it should include something, or it should not include the fossil fuel or environmentally degrading substances. Now you compare you see the options. If they would have given the fifth option as the petrol or this natural gas, not natural gas, or the oil or anything like that, in that case you could have easily eliminated it. Right. So here if you see agricultural residues, this is waste. This is also waste. This is also waste. Right. So all three has to be there. So 1, 3, and 4 has to be there. And this corn grain, again, if you see, normally is used in the other products also with respect to the biofuels. Right. With one of the other. Okay. Because what they have said can be used. Then you see again where the radars can be used. Again, all of the other. These are the questions from 2023 papers. Okay, with respect to the green hydrogen, it can be used, can be blended, it can be used. Okay, if the wording is can, may, you go with the above. Okay, this. So this is the first elimination technique where you focus upon the application or the utility. Okay, or the wordings, which is the possibility statements. If the statement is highlighting the possibility, can be used or may be used, in such cases, you consider those statements as correct.